Hi, Transformers. How are you guys?
Hello,
Great.
I'm good.
So, here we are, edging closer and closer towards finishing our program successfully. We have the last 4 weeks left. And how do you guys feel?
Amazing.
I feel really good, excited
Nice.
about what is to come next.
Yeah. So, these 2 weeks are pretty exciting. These 2 weeks are very important and they give us a lot of insights. So, like we always do, one good thing about ourselves. Who
I
wants to
think
go
I'm
first?
confident. I'll go first.
Dipanshu.
I'm
Yeah,
dedicated. So, even though I have a lot of things to take care of, if I've committed to something, I make sure I fulfill it. So, I think I'm
very
dedicated.
okay.
I'm
Ram?
I'm friendly, lovable.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Ram, you said you're lovable, but you're so grumpy while
I
telling that.
was I was going to say that, Ram. I feel your conviction in lovable is questionable, but we'll talk about it. Okay. And about me, yeah, I I stick to my word. If I give someone my word, I make sure I do it. So that's something that I like about me. On that note, guys, all of us have taken decisions, have been though I feel in a country like ours, we take decisions pretty later in lives compared to the eastern countries where children are let loose pretty early and they take decisions on their own. But all of us have taken some decisions at our lives, and there there have been a lot of times when we might have taken decisions even subconsciously without us realizing that we are taking decisions. For that matter, at every point, like you get up in the morning, you take a decision whether to get up or go back to sleep. And for me, it's mostly the second one. Sometimes you select which dress that you want to wear. That is a subconscious decision that you make. If you're cooking for the family, you have to decide what to cook. So at every point in our life, at every minute, at every second, we make plenty of decisions. Have you guys ever felt terrible about any decisions that you've made in the past?
Yes,
What is that?
I
Or
can
do you
think
want to
of it.
elaborate? If you're comfortable, would you like to elaborate about it?
About the decision that I made.
Yeah.
um, I decided to, take MPC when I was going to my plus one, that is 11. So that was something because most of my friends were going for that, or because my father wanted me to do. At that time, I lacked a lot of clarity, but I knew that that is not something that I'm comfortable to do with. But still, I decided to not make a decision. That's what I understand now. So I was
Yes.
just going with whatever they wanted me to do. So later on, now I see that how it has impacted, because I know where those equations have helped me in any way, and it has only confused me a lot.
Okay. So, what were the consequences of your decision?
Uh, the, it led me to a state where I was always, satisfying others. I had to keep myself on the second place. I just had to go through life because there was nothing exciting to look forward to, and they were always, you know I felt that I could have, just to avoid a temporary conflict, I have taken up something so huge that had affected a huger part of my life.
Given a choice, how differently would you have taken that decision right now?
I think if I had the clarity and if I knew how to take decisions, I would, take some time to think about what I really like, what I want, and then I would stand for what I want. Maybe that would create a conflict, or it would be a little different, but at least I would, at least have a life that I would like. I would be doing
Exactly.
something that I enjoyed.
Yeah. So, Ram, I'm pretty sure there are a few decisions that you regret too. So, this week, the first thing that we do is look into decision making. Before we go into this week, Ram, would you like to briefly tell me about what we have done in the previous weeks? Like a quick recap?
Okay, previous weeks, like initially I found out myself, I discovered myself,
Yeah.
and then
What were the
we,
things that we looked into in the
yeah,
first 2 weeks?
yeah, and then we changed the coding or beliefs in the form of
Yeah.
e-codes, and then we came to an outcomes. So where we have written
Yes.
the clear set of goal. Yeah.
Yes. So we started with the personality reports. We went through the wheel of life. We went through the baselines. We found out our baselines. And then we saw the areas where they were expressed, not expressed. And then the second week, like Ram said, we found out the encodes. And then we turned them into powerful e-codes. And we have our own e-codes. We've been practicing, collecting evidences, aren't we? And then in the last 2 weeks, we've had this incredible process through which we have taken our outcomes, and now we have outcomes ready. Now this week is entirely about decision making, buzz moments, and your masterminds. So this today's session is going to be about decision making. So we have an amazing online tool that eventually you will take it into your lives, you will absorb it, and you will take if you will be able to take every decision of your life through this decision making wheel. I can say, I'm not going to say your decisions are going to be perfect all the time, but I can say that they're going to be better than the decisions that we've been taking, and you will be ready for the consequences that you will face. Like Sahana just said about how gravely a small it was a big decision, but because to avoid a small momentary conflict, she took that decision and how it has affected her life. All right, is it exciting? Can I have some
Yes.
excitement, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
for it.
yeah, okay. So I'm going to read out. If you can go to your give me a second. If you can go to your manuals, I'm going to read out about your decision making wheel. Your activity instructions on page number 91. No more making wrong decisions and no more feeling overwhelmed with problems. We have a tool for you that will resolve your problems by making the right decisions in a step-by-step manner. The decision making wheel is an online tool that will make you think about a certain problem critically by asking you a set of questions. At the end of all questions, you will come to know about the necessary information required for you to make the right decision. All right. So now uh, I'll project the tool for you guys. There are two different scenarios that the activity asks for. There is a central uh, problem. There is a central problem, and there are different questions that the activity asks. We will go through this I'll go through this wheel with each one of you. But before that, I want you to do the two activities which is given in the online portal. Can you guys do that?
Sure.
Okay. Please do the decision making wheel, the online portal, and come back. Hi. Are we done?
Yes.
Okay. So how was it? How easy or difficult was it to do it?
Easy for me. I I could see the consequences. I could see the different options, the consequences, and then
Okay.
yeah, pretty much easy for me. Both in both the cases.
All right. And
Yeah,
Sahana,
I
for you?
think I think it was easy, but it provided a lot of clarity because normally when we come across such scenarios, we don't think so deep into the problem. But here we are going
Yes.
into consequences and what choices we have, and then how it
Yeah.
is going to affect. So that gave a lot of insight into it. So I think it's really nice.
Yeah. Generally, I felt this is my personal opinion. I felt that considering the number of choices that we have, if we can do it at that moment, then we can take better decisions. Generally, we think of only one perspective when we are taking decisions. We don't go through the different choices that we have. On that note, let us take up one problem that either of you is going through at the moment and take it through this wheel of decision making. Any decision that you want to make. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to go first?
I can go first.
Okay, Ram.
Yeah.
So, first thing, what's the problem?
Since for a few weeks I've been like sleeping on this decision. I just want to hire a badminton coach. for improving my game.
Okay.
So far, I have not hired anyone. I was with the flow. I never thought of hiring someone.
Okay. What are the choices that you have?
Choices is just hire someone or
Okay.
don't hire anybody.
Okay.
The two choices I
Okay.
have. The hiring is
Any other
anyways,
choices?
one has hiring a good coach, hiring a bad coach, hiring no one. Three choices. I have.
Okay. What are the consequences? Hiring a bad coach, is it a choice that you make?
Yeah, I think
Or
yeah, it is based on probably have to see a couple of demo games and then decide. So
yeah,
that's
so
anyways I can that anyways I can take it out. So one is hire
yeah,
or don't hire.
not ha- okay.
Yeah.
What are the consequences?
Hiring is just my game. Definitely I'll become good at it, and there
Okay.
might be less mistakes, and that's all.
Okay. And not hiring, what are the consequences?
First thing I could see is getting hurt or injured because no one is ready to tell you what is wrong and what is right.
Very
So
good.
I
That's a very
mean,
good consequence.
not playing well may get me frustrated or something.
Okay. And what are your baselines aligned with both the decision, both the choices that you have?
Both the choices, most with hiring, I have learning, freedom,
Yeah.
friendliness, and helpfulness. Both four as my
Okay. Are any baselines aligned with not hiring?
not hiring. I could not see. Yeah, one is friendliness. I'm not sure. Help, maybe, yeah, learning and friendliness.
Are they aligned with not hiring?
No, both are hiding. Yeah, yes.
Yes. Okay. So now you know what are the baselines that are in favor of hiring.
Yeah.
Okay.
There
What
are
are the
four
feelings involved? Yeah. What are the feelings involved?
feelings. Let's say if I took the coach and then I like enjoy the game, I feel better, happy.
Okay.
I may get
How are you?
tired, frustrated if I'm not playing.
Yeah. How are you currently feeling about this situation?
I'm feeling great. About
About the problem?
hiring, I'm feeling good.
Okay. Okay. Do you need any more information before you make this decision?
Yes, I need to check how long it will take to just go ahead and at least be good at it, and what is the cost
Yeah.
involved. Will I
Okay.
able to afford it or not?
Okay. Who can help? Is there anyone you can ask for help?
Uh, I just need to check with my coach, whoever is.
Okay. So what decision are you going to make, Ram?
I'm going to make the decision of hiring the coach. With
Okay.
adding a couple of things, I'll add. I'll not go with the one coach. I'll just try to like demo games with a couple of them and then decide which one.
Okay. So do you think you've made the right decision? And why do you think
Absolutely.
you've made the right decision?
Yes. I think this game, it makes me feel happy, and I also play well, and less tired, less moves. Yeah, because
Yeah.
uh, yeah, that's it.
So
I get
according to what
too
you've told me,
excited
I see that,
if I'm yeah.
yeah. So what I see is that the decision that you're making is in alignment with your baselines.
Yeah.
So that is one of the reasons why it's going to make you feel good. And the consequences of this decision are better than the consequences of your other choice.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So this is how we go through the decision making wheel. Sahana, can we take up any problem? Is there anything that you'd want me to go through the wheel with you?
I think the process was pretty clear. We have two scenarios. I can go through that, any one of that. That's all.
Okay. Okay, cool. So this is all about the decision making wheel, guys. Quick takeaways before we call it a day.
Now I could really see what is the consequences, which is the biggest thing I have never thought of. So once you have the consequences, at least you know what is coming on, whether you are going or not towards the decision.
Okay, cool. All right. So the next session is something called buzz moments, and I'm very excited about buzz moments because these are the little moments of joy that we forget to have in our busy daily lives. So before we go on to that, this week I'd like you guys to practice on your decision making wheel. Every small decision that you're making consciously, of course, the subconscious decisions, it'll take time for you to inculcate the wheel. But every conscious decision that you make, please try to go through the wheel. It's just a few questions. What are the choices, consequences, baselines, feelings? Do you need more information? Do you need help? That's it. So it's just 6 questions. Just go through this quickly in your head before you make decisions and let me know how it goes.
Okay,
Sure.
Okay. All right. Bye bye.
thank you. Bye-bye.
Mhm.